Hi, honey. This is my new wireless doorbell from Frontpoint. That's right, completely wireless, which makes installation a snap. It's a great addition to my Frontpoint system, and staying on top of my home security has never been easier. With a super wide field of view, I can see everything happening in perfectly crisp HD video. Special delivery. The camera alerts me when someone's at the door, even if they don't ring the bell. And with the built-in two-way speakers, I can talk to whoever's there, right from my phone. Hey, Marco, I'll be right there.
All right, sounds good.
I can also create custom motion zones, so I only get alerts that matter. The doorbell connects via Wi-Fi to the Frontpoint Smart Chime, which lets me choose between 20 different tones. Guests are here. The best part is it works seamlessly with the rest of my Frontpoint system. So I can control it all in one convenient place with the Frontpoint app. She's here. The Frontpoint wireless doorbell camera, making it easier to protect what matters most.